If your Samsung Galaxy Note 4 is not working, or it's responding very slow, or sometimes Samsung Galaxy Note hangs up, or any issues like Samsung Galaxy Note not turning on due to phone internal memory full. To avoid above issues, we need to erase everything from your phone to improve Samsung Galaxy 4 performance and fastness. Or else you want to sell it to other by performing factory reset. To perform factory reset on Samsung Galaxy Note 4, follow these simple steps and erase all your data. Step 1. Switch off your Galaxy Note 4. Step 2. In this step, press and hold volume up and home button, power button till you notice recovery booting on your screen. Step 3. Then release the buttons. After that, utilize volume button for scrolling up and down, and then power buttons to confirm. Step 4. After that, scroll down till factory reset and hit power button to confirm. Step 5. And scroll down to yes and press power option to continue. Step 6. After scrolling, you find reboot system now and tap on power to confirm. Step 7. Now your Galaxy Note 4 is rebooted. By using above two methods, you can easily reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 4 successfully.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to receive more tips and tricks on Windows, Smart TV, iPhone, Android, and many more.